Hey guys, welcome to my computer channel. So this is my computer. So I am making gaming computer, but I am working YouTube very lab. So today topic based virtual data software. Why? Can virtual data? Sorry, what? Virtual data software. So what is virtual data software? আসলে so virtual data software so not clear footage now clear a virtual data room VDR and violation so that security BMP and Aumilic software so BMP attack Aumilic police attack BMP. So very interesting and very intelligent, very but virtual data virtual data related content I am always making but not money earning. So what is not at come but video upload. So very bad luck. I hope no bad luck last day. Good day. $1,000 coming. I am buy one mobile and one t-shirt and pant and watch Gori. So but this is underdog. So virtual data related. Why you talk I know, please no local language English please. So
Hello.
so you very cute man, your very phone come. Hello, welcome to everyone. Today topic is start based violation based software virtual data related content. I hope that virtual data related I am always talking and making videos so very harmful and very compromise virtual data room software virtual data user sensitive so that I am always virtual data related content making now so that what is a virtual data room software. So everyone to not you again try another IP connect and at come no at come this channel is rejected. So everyone I hope the good video and you visit now. So I am always talking video virtual data related content. So everyone today video in new video coming soon. Goodbye, tata.